Hello everyone, it's Mr. Woodward here. This is my first lecture in a new series on projectile motion. Projectile motion is a particular kind of motion in physics where an object is moving through the air acted only on by gravity. So let's take a look at this introduction over here. A projectile is any object that moves through the air or space acted on only by gravity, right? Only one force on it. For example, a cannonball shot from a cannon, a stone thrown into the air, a ball rolling off the edge of a table, or a spacecraft circling Earth. All of these are projectiles, okay? So we're going to look at two demonstrations. In the first demonstration, a ball will be horizontally shot from a spring-loaded gun at the same time that another ball is dropped from the same height. And which ball will hit the ground first? Okay, so here's a little drawing of it. So here's our spring-loaded gun. There are two balls. One is in the front, and it's connected to a spring, right? When the ball is pushed back into the loader, the spring will push the ball forwards. Okay, the ball in the back, however, is not connected to a spring. Instead, when the pin is pushed forward by the spring, this ball will just fall straight down. Okay, and then this whole thing is on like a stand that's sitting on a table down here. Okay, so looking at this first question, in this first demonstration, a ball will be horizontally shot from a spring-loaded gun at the same time that another ball is dropped from the same height. Which ball will hit the ground first and why? Okay, the shot ball, just pushed forward, or the dropped ball, which goes directly down? Which will hit the ground first and why? So I want you to think about this. Make a prediction, and then we're going to watch a demonstration of this video from a guy at MIT. So this guy has just set up the simultaneous launcher and dropper. This is the ball that's just dropped. And the ball that's launched. And so now the simultaneous drop and launch with the two yellow balls at the same time. Not only do they hit the ground at the same time, but they even bounce in rhythm. You can hear them bouncing at the same time. So, this is a surprising outcome. Most students tend to think that the ball that is dropped is going to hit the ground first, because the ball that's shot out the front maybe takes a while before it starts to fall. And the fact that it's shot out the front, maybe the ball has like some additional force that will make it fall at a slower rate, okay? Other students will say, well, the ball that's shot out the front actually has to travel a greater distance than the ball that's just dropped straight down. So the ball that's dropping straight down, since it travels a shorter distance, is going to hit the ground first. But in fact, they hit the ground at the same time, right? And so let's try to figure out why. Why do they hit the ground at the same time? So I'm going to make some space here, and we're going to draw what's happening with the ball moment by moment as it falls, okay? So here in the space